Hey guys, we're at Performance here. Go right now. So, we're taking apart a rear. Those for all GM. This is out of a Blazer, like the S10 style. He's pulling off the caps. Usually you start with that little bolt, but this guy rounded off because as you can see, he smashed the pinion gear completely, or the bearing completely blew out, walked all over. So it hit our carrier. One second. Yep, turn that. So yeah, usually you take this out first. But it rounded on us, so we took out the cap to give us some clearance.
And there you go.
Even has the original GM Loctite on it.
It says it's about the same process, whether it's an old Camaro, whether it's a truck, whether it's a...
Then you can put the cap on.
Anything with an 8.5, A body, G body, you name it. We're gonna punch him out.
I don't think he's coming out yet.
We're gonna try to.
I'll turn this bad boy. He's hitting something. Oh, hang on. Maybe not. Go that way. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead, till I can't go. There you go.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Because he's supposed to slide out easy.
Yeah.
Go down. Put this guy down a little bit. There you go. There you go. You should have just enough room to push that bad boy in. Push the axle in.
And then you
There
push
you
him
go.
in.
I need the magnet.
And if you see that, that's the C-clip right there. So you push it in. See how that guy is flush? That guy right there, I just pushed the axle. Tap him in. Then he comes out, and then you're gonna pull out that C-clip, and then this axle will come right on out. He's gonna get a magnet right now. And then we're gonna do a removal.
Yeah, they're not in bad shape, actually. Can you push him in?
The other side, right?
Oh, the caliper.
Yeah, we're gonna have to unbolt the brake calipers in order
And then we'll start doing
to
all that.
actually
Okay.
get
the let's see if
axles out.
he falls. He was the wrong way.
You want me to rotate him?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna bring it. See if it brings it. Yeah, he's jammed.
Yeah, he's jammed.
Okay. We'll worry about it. Don't worry about it. So he fell out the bottom.
Okay. All right, guys. So we just pulled out the axle after you get those C-clips out, and then obviously we took off the brake hardware. That's it. You literally just pull it right out. It slides right out. This is our axle. He's gonna mark it because you definitely want to make sure you put it back in where it came from. You don't want to be swapping them around. So he's gonna write driver on it. So we have plans to use him in a different rear. You see the bearing wasn't worn. The seal was making a groove on it, however. But they have axle saver bearings, which is what we're using. So this axle should be more than usable for us. And then we're going to continue, and we're going to take apart that guy. The 2 bolts for the caliper. We drop the caliper off. And then we go about full disassembly.